Hi, I'm Joe Fitzpatrick. In today's Understand Photography Quick Tip, I'm going to show you how to change the color of anything in your image. Let's get started. Let's change the color of the model's dress. Select the image, switch to the Develop module, then select the Adjustment brush. Set your flow to 100 and your density to 100. We're going to click on Auto Mask, and we're going to tap the O key to turn on the overlay, and then we're going to paint in the image. Now the Auto Mask will confine the selection to the edge. I'll blow the image up a little bit so we can see in here. You'll notice that with the Auto Mask on, we don't quite select everything because the dress has several different tones and colors in it. So what we're going to do is, at this point, we're going to turn the Auto Mask back off. And now when I paint the rest of the image, it will fully select everything. And we'll go up here. We'll turn the Auto Mask on again. And we'll select the shoulder area of the dress. I'm going to turn the Auto Mask off and brush in here to make sure we didn't miss any spots. Next, I'm going to tap the letter O again to turn off the mask overlay. Now we're going to take the saturation slider and take it all the way down to -100. At this point you can see there's a couple spots I've missed, so I will paint them in. Okay, that looks pretty good. Next we'll click on the color selector, and then as we move the picker around within the image, you can see how we can change the color to anything we want. Let's go for a nice blue. When you're done with your selection, click on the little X. Changing the exposure or other tone controls will also affect the color of the dress. Once you have the color you want, click on Done to finish. That's all there is to it. You can quickly select and change the color of almost any object in the image. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can check out our website for notes on this video, other video quick tips, episodes of the Understand Photography Show, and much more. Thanks for watching.